Hi, it's Steve back again, and we've got to do some modifications to this trailer, which I'm taking to Queensland with the Evo Lancer on it. We're starting by cutting these hold down points into the deck so we can ratchet back with straps from the car, just the same as my trailer is. Then we've got to move on, start building a tyre rack and a toolbox and fit up a winch. So they're the jobs. Well, there it is. I'll spray a bit of prime on the well sections now, but I can load the car because we're going to do the test day tomorrow. So that's the whole idea. I wanted to get these on because this trailer was not very helpful. Didn't have very good tie-down points and just a pain in the neck to tie a car onto. So anyway, they're done. So we're going to build a tyre rack for this trailer. Get the front tie downs done, and it's going to have a winch and a toolbox on it. I'll change this because that will not work with what we want to do. We'll have a toolbox here. Spare tyre will be moved, and the winch will probably be going in under here, underneath the tyre rack, and so on. Anyway, there'll be another video on that, and I'll get this little one done